Hi guys, this is Shashank here. So we'll be looking at the post-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we'll see a few other stocks as well. So first we'll come down to Nifty on an intraday basis. So Nifty, after a big gap up of around 130 points, has pretty much been sideways. The market has consolidated in one range. So we did not have much movement as of intraday basis. So tomorrow we'll be expecting movement above 17,530 levels on the upside. So we need a green candle closing above these levels for the market to go up. And if we are looking at bearish side trades, we might see the market cover the gap tomorrow. So which will be around 17,330 levels. So we need a breakdown from 17,450 levels for looking at bearish side trades in Nifty. So this is Nifty on a day 5-minute time frame. So we'll come down to one day time frame as well. So in the previous sessions, as we were discussing, so Nifty was stuck in a range. So due to a big gap up, Nifty has come out of that range, so which is a good news. So hope the market sustains these levels. Tomorrow we'll be looking at bullish side trades only above 17,530 levels in Nifty. And if you are looking at bearish side trades, you can look at a trade which will cover the gap tomorrow. So these are the levels for Nifty for tomorrow. So we'll look at Bank Nifty as well. So we'll come down to 5-minute time frame. So even in the case of Bank Nifty, so the market has been pretty much sideways after a big gap up today. So it is in a range bound market as of now. So we'll be looking at bullish side trades only above 40,500 levels. So we need a 15-minute candle closing above these levels, and the most importantly, market has to sustain the higher levels. So if you're looking at any bearish side trades, you will plan bearish side trades below 40,000. Below 40,200 levels, bearish side trades should be looking good, and we might see some gap filling tomorrow if market opens or moves negative tomorrow. So this is for Bank Nifty. We'll come down to 1 day time frame as well in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty is actually looking very stronger and has more stability than Nifty. So we can see market continuously trying to move upside, and we can see the formation of higher highs, and price action is working out pretty well in Bank Nifty as of now when you compare it to Nifty. So Nifty does not have direction yet. So Bank Nifty is looking good in terms of direction as of now. So we'll be looking at bullish trades above 40,500 levels. And if you are getting an opening or the market going bearish below 40,200 levels, you'll be planning bearish trades in Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty and Nifty on 5-minute and 1 day time frame. So we'll move on to a few stocks. So our first stock will be TVS Motors. So TVS Motors recently has been performing extremely well. So you can see market is continuously making high rise, and it is constantly trying to move up. So which is a very good news. And we have taken a trade on the basis of breaking previous highs. So because the market has broken previous highs, we will be entering in trades in TVS Motors. So we'll be planning with a 20-point stop loss with a 80-point target, which is a 1:4 trade in TVS Motors. We got our entry around 1115 levels in TVS Motors today. So we'll look at our next stock, which is BHEL. So BHEL has given a massive breakout. So it was a very big consolidation in BHEL from the past 1 year. So it has broken the resistance comfortably today and closed well above the resistance. So we might see a little bit of retracement, or if the market is straight away heading up and if the market remains bullish, you will have a good trade in BHEL. You might get to see a target of 74 levels. We'll trade with a 6-point target and a 2-point stop loss in BHEL as of tomorrow. So this should be good for swing trades, both TVS and BHEL. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you.